So far, we've built a simple two-page report, but we haven't adjusted any of the component properties and settings. So let's go over a few ways that we can make these types of adjustments. Let's start in the report editor with the tag cloud. Now, for some components, we can edit certain settings directly in the canvas here. For example, we can change the title of this component by double clicking the title and renaming it directly. We can also change the title via the component properties on the left here. In the tag cloud specifically, there is a show toolbar option at the top that we can toggle. And that's not part of the side panel options here. For example, in the side panel options, you're able to add a subtitle, but you cannot do this from this part. Additionally, the coloration can only be changed for this particular component while it's on the canvas, whereas you cannot perform those actions from this menu here in the component properties. The sub-panel here offers some options to change the title, the subtitle. It also allows you to change the background if you wish to something else. You can also change it back. Now let's customize this chart. Once we select our chart component, we see the configuration options are mainly over on the left over here. Once we select our chart component, we have the convenient features shown here that allow us to change things like the orientation. We can change this to vertical if we wish, or change it back to horizontal. And we can also customize things like the primary chart view type. So we can change this to stacked bars. And this option might make it easier for us to visualize the breakdown of our topics by the sentiment of the reviews. Next, if we want to adjust the colors of a single component, we can do that in this colors section here. If we want our component to adopt a specific set of colors for a data type throughout the report, we can keep the sync colors option set to yes. If we don't necessarily want that, we can change it to no. And if we select no, we will be presented with some other color options. So one way to change colors is we can choose a pre-installed palette. So for example, this would automatically choose the first few colors for us and would reassign our sentiment data types to these particular colors for this component only. You can also edit the colors of each one of these individually by clicking on the color square and just selecting a different color. Another option is to add data labels. We can choose to show these or not, depending on our preference. Now let's switch to the categories axis. We can see that this lets us adjust things like the title, or the grid lines. And we also see that this is the simplified properties. So there are more things we can choose to change, but since we are not in the advanced settings option, we don't see those. If we want to see the advanced options, we just toggle this to show the advanced options, which reveals additional settings we can change. So make sure to toggle this here if you are looking to configure additional details that you don't initially see. So let's next remove the axis title since we already can see the topics by sentiment title at the top of the widget. So we can go to the title, and instead of it saying auto, we can select none. And let's also change the label font by clicking over here and make that a little bigger. And let's turn off the extra grid lines here. So now we don't have the ones that are between these bars. Next, we can adjust the title of the primary values axis to something more descriptive. So we can choose to customize this, and then we can type in something more descriptive. Finally, let's switch to the legend settings. And we'll just remove the legend title by toggling that off. And we can adjust the fonts on the labels. So now that we've finished adjusting the components on this page, let's switch to the reviews page of our report and change some settings in the data table. Now let's go to the column header background colors. So we go to the header tab here. We click on the background color, something different. Now we can choose the font and change that. And now that we've made some changes, we can choose to publish an updated version of our report. So we can push the publish button, and once it finishes publishing, we can view our report. And as we can see, we now have all of these changes implemented in our report.